Hello everyone, in this simulation we're going to see how the force, the current, and the magnetic field acts in the presence of a commutator step by step. Notice the magnetic field lines between the permanent magnets, the direction of the current from the positive pole, which is moving in this way in the current, the magnetic field acting on the loop, and the force. We will click on Forward to move forward one complete turn slowly. Notice what happens to the current and the force during the turn. And this is a complete turn. The forces change their direction when the loop is turning, and they are always perpendicular to the loop. The forces are equal and in opposite directions.